Hello traders, welcome to the video. So this video I'll be showing you a very quick scalping strategy that you can use to scalp the boom and crash. So this strategy works for both the boom and crash markets. I am on the 1 minute time frame and this is crash 1000. I have dropped strategy similar to this before, but because of people who are still asking questions about the strategy, so I have decided to make more examples for you guys. So if you look on my chart, I have two indicators. I have the Bollinger bands and I have the MACD. So the Bollinger band has the lower band, the middle band, and the upper band, which help us know when market is likely to change trend. And our MACD over here help us to know when the buyers are taking over the market and when the sellers are taking over the market. So what are we looking for this strategy? So this is the crash market. We want to pay attention to the lower band of this indicator. So what are we looking for? We want to see market spikes down, enters into the lower band. You can see it breaks the lower band over here. Between the upper line and the down line, there is a line in between them. If you look carefully, so this line that you see in between them is zero level. So if you look carefully, you see that immediately this spike happens, then we wait for when there will be decreasing in the line that you see over here. Then immediately we see this indicator create a up candle, then we enter a buy. So if you look carefully, we will enter a buy at this point and then we count 5 candles, or we close our trade when it touches the middle band, because at the middle band market is likely to reject or breaks it. So we don't know, we either cash 5 candles or we take our profit once it touches the middle band. So let me show you more examples. Same thing occurs over here. Market goes up, spike to the downside, breaking the lower band. This is the crash market, the lower band for the crash market. So when market is coming to the upside, we see that there is decreasing in the down bar over here in the MACD. So as we see the decrease, immediately generates the up candle, which should be at this line. We enter and then we count 5 candles and close our trade. So same thing also happens over here. Spike to the downside, enters into the lower band. As you can see, market retests this zone, so we know that market is likely to continue in an uptrend. So we are waiting patiently until we see a up bar around this area. So once we have that, we enter a buy and count our 5 candles, then we exit the trade. So one thing you should know is that if you are able to cash these 5 candles in the market every day, you don't need anything. You just need to increase your lot size and make more money out of the market. All you need is just 5 to 10 candles, and if you can catch the spike, all you need is just a single spike in a day. You don't need to trade too much and blow your account. All you just need is just one profitable trade, and then you exit the market, then you open your chart in the following day. So if you look over here, spike to the downside, enters into the lower band. It is very important that you make sure that the spike enters into the lower band, and most especially the spike should be one, should be just a single spike that enters into the lower band. So once you have that, you wait for deceleration in this bar that you see over here. As you can see, there's deceleration. Then you wait until you see the first bar candle generated. Enter a buy, and then we count our 5 candles, then we exit the trade. So you see over here, there is a spike into the bar, then we go up, we see another spike. So like I said, we are only looking for one spike that will break the lower band. So we are not taking this trade because it is likely to come up and then continues to go to the downside. So let me show you some examples in the bull market also. Boom 1000. In the bull market, our attention is more focused on the upper Bollinger band. Like I said, this is the upper, middle, and the lower band. So we focus more our attention on the upper Bollinger band. So we see before market enters this level, we see a spike, retreat, and spike. Like I said, we only want to see a single spike, so we are not taking the trade. Although you see sometimes the setup will play out, but we just have to follow the rules. That is very important. So over here, we see a very clean setup. We see market spike to the upside, enters into the upper band over here, then we see deceleration. Like I said, in crash market we want to see it goes up, but in the bull market we want to see the candle reducing. And see over here it is reducing to the downside, so immediately market generates a down bar. Like you see over here, the bar is facing down, then we will enter a sell, count our 5 candles, then we exit the trade. Same thing also over here, spike to the upside. You see that this is just a single candle, then retrace, we see a down bar, enter our sell, count our 5 candles, then we exit. That is how you trade this strategy. Same thing also over here, spike to the upside, see retracement in the up bar over here, see a down bar, enter, sell and count your 5 candles, then you exit the trade. So you can go back on your chart, you will see series and a lot of examples. So this strategy works also for the boom 500, but I find it more profitable in the boom 1000 chart. So you see over here, spike to the upside, but because of the nature of the 500 market, we can see 2 candles. But if it is the boom 1000, only focus on 1 candle. So we see it enters into this level, see a down bar, drops, sell and count our 5 candles. So the same thing also goes to the crash 500, dips into this level, enter a buy, count 5 candles, enters into this level, wait for the up bar to create, enters, count your 5 candles and exit. So this strategy works for the boom and crash 1500, but 300 it is not as accurate as the other two markets. So now let me show you settings to my indicator. First thing you do is to click on this indicator icon over here. Like I said, I have 2 indicators. I have the Bollinger bands and the MACD. To select the Bollinger band, click on the F icon on the main chart. This is the Bollinger band. Click on that. Make your period to be 20, deviation to be 2, shift to be 0, apply to close, style to be 3 pixel, and select color of your choice. After that, click on save. To select the second indicator, click on the F icon on the main chart. Scroll down a bit. This is your MACD. Click on that. Make your fast EMA to be 3, slow EMA to be 5, MACD SMA to be 13, apply to close. Make your main style to be 3 pixels, select color of your choice. The signal style to be 1, select color of your background. So if your background is white, you select white like mine, and if your background is another color, select the color of your background. The reason why we do that is because we have no use for the signal. After that, click on save. So if you follow my settings correctly, your chart should look exactly as what you see over here. So for the zoom level does not matter, so you can use the innermost zoom or the outermost zoom, but make sure that everything you are seeing on your chart is clear. So after this, I want you to go back on your chart and backtest the strategy, then trade it with your demo account to see how many times it plays out. Calculate your win rate to know if this strategy is okay for you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on notification bell so that you get notified anytime I release a new video. You can also check out my other videos that are displaying right now on your screen. Thanks for watching.